In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the verb to know. To know has two meanings, the verb saber and conocer. Saber and conocer are two verbs irregular in the yo form conjugation. We conjugate this verb in the yo form yo conozco, tú conoces, él, ella, usted conoce, nosotros, nosotras conocemos, vosotros, vosotras conocéis, ellos, ellas, ustedes conocen. In the verb saber, yo sé, tú sabes, él, ella, usted sabe, nosotros, nosotras sabemos, vosotros, vosotras sabéis, ellos, ellas, ustedes saben. We're going to review the uses of those verbs. Each verb has their own use and they are not interchangeable. Saber is used when we know facts or information. One of the examples that use this verb saber as a fact, for instance, I know by a fact that Quito is the capital of Ecuador. So I will use yo sé que la capital de Ecuador es Quito. And as information, I can use ¿dónde está la capital de Ecuador? So those are the uses of the verb saber as facts or information. Another use of the verb saber is saber is often followed by the question word, especially when we are asking for information. Also, saber is used when we know how to do something. So, saber is used with a verb in infinitive form. For instance, María sabe cocinar delicioso. So, she knows how to do something. And when we know something by memory. And conocer is used when we know a person, place, or when you are acquainted or familiar with a person, place, or thing. So summarizing the uses of the verb conocer is when you know a person or a place, or if you are familiar with something. For instance, you are familiar with the Ecuadorian culture, or if you are familiar with Mexican food. That's the kind of uses of this verb conocer. So, conocer is never followed by the verb in infinitive form. So in this case will be the use of the verb saber, because it's to know how to do something. So that summarizes the uses of the verb saber and conocer. Gracias.